here we are. I'm like excited because I just got my R5 borrowed. This is not my R5. I unfortunately have no information on where my actual R5 is, but all right, let's open it up here. See what's in that camera bag for at least this type of trial. Whew, feels nice compared to my 5D Mark IV, which I don't have. It's still thick. I have big hands, so it's nice to have a solid entry. There you go. There you go. I can't wait to start testing this out with you guys. And if I'm making this video, I probably have tested it out. And you're just watching an unboxing. I got a smile on my face today. It's finally here. Welcome. If you're new to my channel, definitely consider subscribing. I like to talk about cameras, DSLR and mirrorless cameras for video purposes. And today we're talking about the R5. I just got it today. These are just going to be my first reactions to it, and then a quick test that I wanted to try out because I just wanted to. So Canon sent me a loaner, so I don't have much time with it, and I still have no idea when I'm actually going to get the R5 that I purchased. No definitive date on that. But after receiving this R5 and just kind of playing with it a little bit, I am already in love. I have no regrets over my decision for video purposes, in particular with the R5. Now they actually sent me version 1.0, which is the firmware version that had all the overheating issues that had almost entirely to do with the timer, and you had everyone making the hacks and whatever to lengthen the time before Canon came out with their firmware update that thankfully lengthened the time of the camera before it overheats. Just know that when it comes to Canon, I have used their mirrorless lineup, but very limited. I used the EOS R for a few moments with Peter Gregg when I visited him in Miami, Florida. And then I have a friend who actually purchased the EOS R. Now, before I end this video, because again, it was just no real purpose, it was just me talking my initial thoughts. The 5D Mark IV is one camera that I want to compare this camera with badly when it comes to sharpness, when it comes to 4K video quality. But my 5D Mark IV is still getting repaired. So maybe I might do it in my next video when I actually get it back. However, one camera that I have with me, besides the Blackmagic, which you're seeing, is the Samsung NX1. And I'm going to put this camera to a sharpness test. Is 4K HQ as sharp as Samsung's standard 4K? We'll see. And while I do all these tests, it might take me a little while to get them all edited and run through. But as always, you can make my day if you subscribe today. This is Magnus, and I'm out. This is super exciting. Time to really put this to the test. And a couple of future tests, I'm actually going out into the wild and taking pictures. I've got a photography job coming up this weekend, which I'm going to put this through photo taking paces, so it's perfect timing. And I've got just a vlog that I want to do and see if I worry about overheating at all, which I haven't so far worried about overheating at all. I've recorded what I wanted with it and doesn't even cross my mind. And for long events, I already have a principle of why I never ever will worry about overheating with this camera. You'll see why. Coming up. Anyway, make my day. If you subscribe today, this is Magnus, and I'm out. And thank you guys. You guys are the best, and I have fun with you guys. Leave comments. See you later. Oh, and before I go, the audio advice that I've gotten, I haven't had a chance to test it, but it was so appreciated. I think that again, when I tested this room for audio, I also tested with everything unplugged and off. So it's definitely something coming from outside, but the ideas that I received to address it are pretty awesome. But if I have to stick with just editing and post, that's okay too. I'll let you know what happens there. Now that's it, I swear. I'm out. See you guys later.